Welcome to today's program. I'm Milton Lawrence, and with me today is Dr. Wendy Walsh, a nationally recognized consumer rights advocate. Our topic on today's program is the practice of personal injury law and the important contribution it makes to those who suffer injuries due to the negligent actions of others. Dr. Walsh, thanks so much for joining us here today.
Thanks, Milton. I'm happy to be here.
It seems there are so many personal injury firms out there. Can you tell us about the special niche that they fill?
Well, Milton, I've always had a passion for helping people, especially those who've been injured in some way by the actions of others. Unfortunately, many of these people don't know where to turn when it comes to defending their rights. And if they do, they may not have enough resources to pay for the legal help they need. That's where personal injury law firms come in. They provide the legal help so many people need on a contingency basis. That means they agree to be paid only after the injured party receives a settlement. Now, this is huge for these victims who otherwise would have no way to be compensated for their damages.
Dr. Walsh, based on your experience, what are the most important common elements that great personal injury law firms share?
Milton, I think the most important element of a great personal injury law firm starts with the firm taking a personal interest in each client and their case. The right firm will ensure that each client is treated as their most important client, regardless of the size of their claim. Other key elements that great personal injury law firms share include extensive experience and successful representation in the specific area of the client's claim, as well as a resource base that includes enough attorneys, support staff, and financial strength to properly represent the case.
Dr. Walsh, what are the most common areas of injury handled by personal injury law firms?
Well, there are many common areas where victims need the help of a personal injury law firm. Basically, anyone who's injured due to the negligence of someone else and suffers either monetary or non-monetary damages as a result may have a personal injury claim. Some of the most common are auto, truck, or motorcycle accidents, slip and fall injuries, injury caused by pharmaceutical products, medical devices, and defective consumer products, nursing home abuse, and sexual abuse cases are also, sadly, common personal injury areas.
That's certainly a lot of areas where people who've been injured by the negligence of others can be helped by an experienced and qualified personal injury law firm. Dr. Walsh, the information you've given us today will be helpful to so many of our viewers and their families. The record personal injury law firms have of helping people, holding responsible parties accountable, and making difficult times easier for clients is impressive. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Milton.
If you or someone you love has been harmed by the negligence of others, you need to call the number on your screen now, as you may be entitled to significant compensation for your injuries. Thanks for watching. Have you or someone you love been injured by the negligent actions of another? You need a law firm that will fight for your rights and get you the compensation that you deserve. But fighting for the rights of the injured can be difficult because the parties we fight for don't always play by the rules. Insurance companies, drug manufacturers, medical device manufacturers, nursing home operators, they aren't concerned about the victims. All they care about is paying victims the least amount possible. So we do whatever it takes to make sure our clients get the compensation they deserve. Whether claims are for auto or truck accidents, a defective drug or medical device, sexual abuse, or nursing home neglect or abuse, we are there for our clients. And our cases are fought on a contingency basis, which means our clients don't pay anything until we get a settlement. While many other law firms are ready to settle cases, we've just begun to fight for our clients. That's why they don't want to meet us in the courtroom. They know we've won millions of dollars for our clients, and our clients deserve nothing less.